Hello students, let's start our science lesson number 19, constituents of food. Now the first question is arise, can you recall what is meant by diet? The food containing different constituents that we eat for our survival is called diet. Second question is, for what purposes do we need food? We need food for growth, development of the body, and also for proper functioning of the body. Now the third question is that what are the different tastes that foodstuffs have? How do we experience the taste? Sweet, sour, salty, bitter are the main taste. Hot is not a taste, it is just the burning sensation of the tongue. We experience is different taste due to taste bud present on the tongues. Now continue our topic. You have learned that foodstuffs have constituents that are useful to us in different way. Let us see one by one. First one is a carbohydrate. Here is the experiments given here and it is also excluded from your syllabus. Now use your brain power. Again I have given that is, why do we feel hungrier in winter than we do in summer? Energy to maintain the body temperature, so we feel hungrier in winter than we do in summer as the energy we got from the food. Now can you tell what substance do we use to give our food sweet taste? Jaggery, honey, sugar are the substances that we use to give our food a sweet taste. Second question is that of the food that we eat raw, which ones are sweet? The food we eat are raw are sweet in taste are all fruits like banana, mango, chiku, dates, sugarcane are sweet in taste. Let's get stuck between the now next one is thread, not a leads. Thread, THREADS. Threads get stuck between the teeth when we eat certain types of mangoes. Which kind of carbohydrate are they? This question is at the last paragraph of page number 97. It is the fiber substances. Now again come to our next topic, that is the starch. Starch turns blackish blue when it comes in contact with iodine. So we can refer that there is starch in the potato. Sago and sweet potato also contain starch. Sago means sabudana and sweet potato shakarkand. Cereals like jowar, bajra, wheat, rice contain a lot of starch. We obtain flour from these grains. Starch मतलब जो सफ़ेद सफ़ेद कलर का पानी जब हम when we wash the potatoes the white color substance is washed out, that is the starch. These grains form our staple diet. We get energy from the starchy foods. Our body uses this energy for different kinds of work. This energy also keeps the body suitably warm. Yes, that's why we are feel hungrier in winter than we do in summer. Now come to the next page. Look at in the picture. You can see the sugar grain. For example, we can obtain jaggery and table sugar from sugarcane because it contains a sugar called sucrose. Ripe fruit like mango, banana, chiku. Also honey and milk also contain various kinds of sugar. They too give us energy. Now here also the try this you have given a fine sieve, some whole wheat flour, sieved flour. Simply in kitchen when mama is making a roti, when mama is making roti, she sieve all the flour. Then when she sieve the flour, some fiber particle, yes, some rough particle is left over the sieve. That is the main fiber. Large particle left behind on the sieve. These particles are fine pieces of the skin or bran of the grain. Bran is a fibrous substance. In the process of digestion, fiber has a specific function. Fibrous substances help the food to move forward in the alimentary canal at the right speed. The undigested food is of no use to the body. Then fiber helps to form stool from this undigested food. Fiber is also called as a roughage. That means in our diet, fiber is also play a very important role. Now, fruits and vegetables, especially their skin, whole grains, and pulses are all sources of fiber in food. If our food does not contain enough fiber, it can lead to constipation. Sometimes what we are peeling all the vegetables and all the fruits, and they need. Then such a type we throw out all the fibers, and we are lead to a constipation. Up to now, we have learned about three types of substances present in our. First one is a starch, sugar, and fiber. These substances are all together called as a carbohydrates. The most important use of carbohydrate is to provide the body with energy. Starch we get from all the cereals, all the jawar, bajra, wheat, sago, potato. That means is the starch. Sugar we get from the all the ripe fruits like mango, banana, chiku, also honey and milk. They are the sugars, and fibers we got from the all the leafy vegetables and fruits. Okay students, here we stop, and in the next lecture we are continue with our next page number 98. Till goodbye and happy Sankranti.